Okay, in this lesson, I'm going to show you just the basic tools and workflows inside Substance, which is a really simple thing to do because, as you can see, it's a very, very simple software with a simplified interface. So the first thing that I'm going to do is import a sample file. So if you go to File, Open Sample, and if you pick the bitmap file, we will have one of the most popular characters inside Substance Painter. Maybe you have seen it before. And we have the 3D and the 2D view. And in the 3D view, we can zoom in and out by using the Alt-right mouse button and spinning the camera using the left mouse button, Alt-left mouse button. Now, by using the F1, F2, and F3, we can switch from the view, from the 3D to the 2D view. Also, by using the Shift right mouse button, we can change the position of the HDRI of the scene. Substance doesn't use lights to render the scene, but uses HDRI, so we can use this shortcut to rotate that HDRI. Now, if you can see right here, we have this sort of light or bloom effect, which looks pretty cool, but it's not very helpful when we are painting. So to disable that, if we go to the display menu and we go to the camera settings here, we can disable the post effect. And as you can see, it disabled the bloom effect. And I'm also going to change the focal length. So I want to have that, it would be like a flatter view of the scene. I'm also going to change here in the background the HDRI, and I'm going to use this one here. So it's like a more evenly lit illumination. Now, if we go to the texture set list, we can switch between different sets, and we can also be in solo mode, so we can move from one texture set to another. Now, if we pick the brush tool and I'm going to change the color here quickly in the base color to red. And I'll remember to be in the texture set, that the correct texture set, so we can paint here. So if we press the CTRL right mouse button and spin left right, we can change the size of the brush. And by using CTRL right mouse button and up and down, we can change the hardness of the brush. Also, the opacity, the flow, we can change by CTRL left and right. And we can also use those menus on the top of the 3D view. And also use the symmetry. If we activate the symmetry by clicking this button here, we can paint in one side and automatically will paint in the other one. We'll change the texture set to paint the body of the character. So we can also paint the 2D view. Okay, can also use the erase tool to erase this part here. Okay, in the next lesson, I'll show you how to use the layers.